What I ate in Jamaica. Out in the streets, they call it fun. So well cooked, put jam rock, jump to the dogs and cat, but I do bone, I eat it a one buck. It in a your hand, but you never suck it in a your pop. The smell like a bird, cut up. Some boy don't know this. The only comparable like tourists, and I'm featuring up you from so this. And that's how the stories, but pause like that big Chuck Norris. And now the real hardcore.
So mama decide to make the most delicious meal pan the planet. Make a tell her now, I'm gonna go on like real picnic on Christmas Day. If you believe that, you know exactly what it is. And make a tell her now, if you can make this, I will marry your pan the spot ASAP pronto, no questions asked.
That is jerk chicken ever.
Which part do you want?
Leg on side.
Them been there and done that this starting of now, you know. That's alright.
How the fuck you make fried dumpling? How do you make fried dumpling? 10 years now, me make fried dumpling and I know fried dumpling can't make. If it's not tough, you know me gonna cook. If not, shut fuck! Me just want fried dumpling! 2 batch of fried dumpling make a while ago, you know?
Hey!
تكنولوجيا
Technology!
تكنولوجيا
I shouldn't have
تكنولوجيا
I shouldn't have technology.
تكنولوجيا